Okay, well, I'll get one up here. I'll make the first one not too difficult. Let's do 456 divided by 4. Okay.
Okay.
So does 4 go into 4? It does. How many times? While you're thinking about that, I'll get the multiplication table up here.
One time, I
Goes
believe.
in one time. So the key now is you take that number up there and you multiply by this number out in front. Okay, what does that become?
4.
4, and you put the result down below, and then you subtract. What is 4 minus 4?
0.
0. So generally not a good idea to write 0. So we'll put the 5 there.
Okay.
Okay. How many times does 4 go into 5?
4 going to 5. Does it go in?
All right, so here we go. I got this multiplication table up. Maybe it'll help here. You're looking at the row with 4 in it, though. Row with 4.
Okay, it's between 8 and 4, so 1.
That's right. So it goes in one time. And then you take that 1 on the outside and multiply by 4. What does that become?
4.
You subtract. What is 5 minus 4?
1.
1. Bring down the 6.
6. 4.
How many times does 4 go into 16?
4 times.
4 times. Very good. And what's 4 times 4?
4 times 4 is 16.
Very good. All right. Okay, let's try another one here. Make it a little bit bigger here. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's go 1,985 divided by 5. 1,985 divided by 5.
Okay.
So start with the 1. Does 5 go into 1?
No.
No. So you could put a 0 there, but we've kind of said it's not good to put zeros. So let's not put a 0 there. Let's look at 19. Does 5 go into 19?
Yes. It's between 20 and 15, so 3.
3, and that goes above the 9. It goes above the 9 because it's in the ones place. Because there's really that 0 there that we don't write. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, what is 3 times 5?
3 times 5 is 15.
Okay. Bring down the 8. How many times does 5 go into 48?
5 go to 48. 5 going to 48. It goes between, it's between 45 and 50, so 9 times?
Yes. All right, so you put the 9 up here. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract.
3.
Bring the 5 down. 5. How many times is 5 going to 35?
7 times.
7 times. Good. So that goes up here. 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract and get 0.
I have a question.
Yes.
Are we gonna finish at 4 or like 4? 3.
So unfortunately, I'm probably only gonna have time to help you today. Michael will probably be thankful for that anyway. So we'll just you and I will go till about 3:50-ish, 3:55-ish, somewhere in there. We'll give him a break today. So are you able to go another 20 minutes here, or do you have something to go to?
No, I can still go.
Okay.
I just wanted to know.
Understood. All right, so let's do another one here. All right. So here's a new problem. Let me bring down the multiplication table. So let's go 6. How many times does 6 go into 4,986? All right. Why don't you try this one on your own, please?
Okay. I actually wanted to know if I just wanted to know if the six go to wait 649. Does it go up to 10? I just wanted to know so I don't do this.
6 does not go into 4, so you could put a 0 there.
Yeah, but
Then
for
49. So we go to the row with the row with 6s. Where does 49 fall between?
It's between 48 and 54.
Okay, so what number does that correspond to?
8.
8. Okay, and then you can remove the 0.
Okay.
So 8 times 6 is, Zoe, what does that become?
48.
48. What is 49 minus 48?
1. And we bring the 8 down.
That's right.
And then 6. How much is 6 going to 18, right?
Yes.
3 times we put the 3 on top.
3 times 6 is 18.
18. We subtract, that gives us 0.
So bring the last.
We bring the 6 down. What's how much? Wait, is it for this last one? Is it how 6 times 6 or how much is?
How many times? It's always how many times does 6 go into the number down here?
Okay.
So
1 time.
1 time. There you go. And then 1 times 6 is 6, and you subtract and get 0. Okay, let me know when you get that down. We'll do another one here.
Okay, I will write it down.
Okay. All right, let's go 7 into 3,171. I'll help here by highlighting that row.
Okay.
Go ahead and give that a try, please.
Get out. I'm pitting my brown girl. Michael, get out. Bye-bye.
You seem frustrated. What are you unsure about here?
It's because I did 7 going to 31, but then I got 28. But am I supposed to multiply right by,
Well, you have to put the number. Then how many times does 7 go into 31?
it goes into 20. Wait, sorry. 4 times.
4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. You put the 28 below. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah, it's just
Okay.
I didn't pick the smaller numbers on top. I just found 28 and I just thought it was 28. But, okay, yeah. Can I just do this one?
Yeah, keep going. You're almost there.
7, 3, 1, 7, 1, 1. Okay, I got my final answer.
Okay, what did you write in the top here? 4, and then what numbers?
5,
Okay, good.
3.
You got it. 5 times 7 is 35. You subtract, bring the 1 down, 21, 453. Good. All right, let's do one for 8 now. Do one for division by 8. We're slowly getting up to double digits, but that's a big milestone there. All right, let's do 616 divided by 8. Okay. So again, that 8 does not go into that first digit. 8 does not go into 6.
But 61.
61, yeah. Excuse me.
It's between 64 and 72. Um, eight.
How are you doing on this one, Zoe?
Well, I got one, but after there's like no more like numbers on 616, so 616. So I thought I was just done with it.
Okay, does 8 go into 6?
No.
But it does go into 61. Where is that on here?
Between 72 and wait, no. Yeah, wait. 56 and then 64.
So which number do you choose, 7 or 8?
7.
Okay, so put the 7 up here. What is 7 times 8?
7 times 8, 56.
Okay. Sounds like you put a different number up there. Is that
Yeah, I did.
okay? And I think you're not remembering to put it's the number up on the top that goes over here.
Yeah, I thought it was between 64 and 72, but
Okay. So let's go with the subtraction here. 61 minus 56. What does that become?
um
So maybe easier to just count, you're going up from 56 to get to 61.
the 15.
It is 5, just 5.
If I
Right? If you count up from 56, you count up 57 is 1, 52 is, or 57 is 2, 58 is 3,
okay.
and so on. That's how you count up here. So bring the 6 down. Okay. How many times does 8 go into 56?
7 times.
7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. And you've got it. Okay. So we're going to do another one here. Let's go. All right, 9,306 divided by 9. Let me go grab this. All right, here we go. So you're looking at that row with the 9s.
1, bring the 3 down.
How are you doing on this one, Zoe?
Well, first, I just want to know, I did, well, 9 goes
Does
in,
not does 9 go into 9?
yeah, which that gave me 1,
Okay, and 1 times 9 is 9.
9, and then it's 0, so I brought the 3 down, but
Does
then,
9 go into 3?
no.
So you put a 0 there.
0 there, and then,
But if you bring this 0 down, does 9 go into 30?
yes.
It does. How many times does 9 go into 30?
3 times.
3 times. 3 times 9 is?
3 times 27.
And you subtract. What is 30 minus 27?
3. Wait,
It is 3. Bring the 6 down.
36. It's just 8. I mean, 4 times.
How many times does 9 go into 36?
Goes into 4 times.
4 times. Okay. All right, let's do another one of these, kind of similar. We'll go back down a little bit. All right, so 8,448 divided by 8.
8.
This is kind of like the last one where it goes into the first number, but then it doesn't go into the second.
So if it doesn't, so can I put like 2 of, can I put 44 down, right?
Well, you can.
Okay.
You can, but you have to remember to put the answer in this position. Because it's really a 0 there.
Okay. 0. But can I put the 2 digits down? Yeah, right.
Sure. You can bring more than 1 digit down. How many times does 8 go into 44? Zoe?
Actually, I'm done.
Okay, what's your final answer?
It's, wait, the 10 and then the 56.
Yes, that's perfect. All right. So I'm going to actually pick up with your brother tomorrow. So we're just going to we're done with our part of the lesson for today, and I'll pick up with him tomorrow. But that is it.